Hello friends, in this video we will discuss some very interesting applications of Telegram. Basically we all know that Telegram is an instant messaging app through which we can share messages, share photos and videos, but it has some very interesting applications. We can create polls using Telegram. We can also create quizzes using Telegram. So in this video we will learn how can we create quizzes using Telegram. For this, first we have to download Telegram for Play Store. We can just search Telegram and download it from the Play Store. As I have already downloaded, so no need to download. I just open Telegram. Now we can see that there are a lot of chats available. If I have to make the quiz, then I have to click on this search bar and just type here quiz. Now we see that quizbot appears before us. Then this quizbot, we have to simply click on this. Now there are various commands. If we want to start a quiz, we just type here \start \start, then send. Now this message is there. This bot will help you create a quiz with a series of multiple choice questions. We can add a number of multiple choice questions. There are three options: create new quiz, view my quizzes, language. If I want to change the language, I can select the available language: English, Urdu, whatever our language is. I choose is English. If I want to see the quiz is already created by me, then I can click on this quizzes. And if I want to make a new quiz, then I have to click on create new quiz. Then there is a message, let's create a new quiz. First send me the title of your quiz. Suppose I write its name as my first quiz on Telegram. Then send. Now it says good. Now send me a description of your quiz. This is optional, you can skip the step. So I just type all questions are compulsory. Click send. Now it says good news, send me a poll with your first question. Alternatively, you can send me a message with text or media. So I click on create a question. I just type a question. Suppose I want to ask who is the president of India? President of India. Then I have to give options. Suppose I given chooses first Ramnath Kovind. Add an option Pratibha Patil. APJ Abdul Kalam. Or we can choose Pranab Mukherjee. This way I have added 4 options. We can add 6 more options. We can add up to 10 options in a particular questions. So now I click on right answer. Now there are some settings. If someone gives wrong answer, then he should get some message. So I type here, you have chosen wrong answer. Now I create this. This is the question, who is the president of India? Now I want to create one more question. Suppose I want to ask, who is the first Indian batsman to score a triple century in Test cricket? In Test cricket, I gives the option Virender Sehwag, Virendra Sehwag. Second option is Sachin. Third option is Rahul. Fourth option is Saurav Ganguly. Saurav Ganguly. If you want to add wrong questions wise, then we can add. So I click on right answer and create this quiz. Suppose I want to create one more. Who is the CM of Maharashtra? We can give options: Uddhav Thackeray, Second option Devendra Fadnavis, Next option is, suppose I give Yogi Adityanath. One more option is, suppose Akhilesh Yadav. I choose this correct answer, then create. We will add one more question. CM of UP is Yogi Adityanath, Trivendra Singh, suppose I have added only two options here and chooses correct answer this. I want to add one more question. Who is the Vice President of India? Sorry. I have to type here. Who is the Vice President of India? So we know that Venkaiah Naidu, and we can add Sonia Gandhi. We can add Rahul Gandhi. And I choose the right answer. Now I click on create. So in this way we can create as many questions as we need. If you want to add, we can click on create questions. If we are finished, then we have to just type here \done and click on send. Then it asks, please set a time limit for questions in groups. The bot will send the next question as soon as the time is up. Suppose I chooses 3 minutes to complete these questions. Now it asks shuffle questions and answer options. Then I chooses shuffle all. Now we see that there are some options. Its name is my first quiz on Telegram. Nobody answered yet. All questions are compulsory. 5 questions, 3 minutes, and all are compulsory. This is for shuffling. We can share it in Telegram group by sending this link. If I want to start the quiz, then I have to just click on this. Now it gives me the all instructions. Then I have to click on I am ready. 3, 2, 1, set, go. Now I have to give the answer. CM of UP is, we can see that we have chosen first Yogi Adityanath, then we have read Trivender, but because we have chosen shuffle all options, the question as well as answer will be shuffled. I click on Yogi Adityanath. This is correct answer. Next answer is, who is the Vice President of India? We know that Venkaiah Naidu. Suppose I give wrong answer, Sonia Gandhi. Then it will say it is wrong. And it will be marked as red. Who is the CM of Maharashtra? We know Uddhav Thackeray. Who is the President of India? We know that Ramnath Kovind. Who is the first batsman to score a triple century in Test cricket? We know that it is Virender Sehwag. If you want to try again, we can try start quiz in a group. We can send this group in a particular group, or we can share this quiz to anyone. So let us check what I have done currently. I have given answer of 4 questions correct and 1 is wrong. If I want to see the stats of this quiz, then I have to click on quiz stats, and we can see here top results in the quiz, my first quiz on Telegram. There are 5 questions, 3 minutes per question. One person took the quiz, as only I have responded for this, Dr. Sunil Kumar, and 4 marks. It takes 44.9 seconds. I can back to quiz. So in this way we can create quizzes and send to our friends or students who are in the particular Telegram group, or we can send them this external sharing link. So friends, this is a very useful application of Telegram. We can just create simple quizzes using this, and these are very easy. We have to just type the questions. All the instructions are given by this particular application. So we can use this in our teaching learning process. Thank you very much.